The 2024 BMW XM SUV is on an ambitious mission to target the pinnacles of performance and luxury simultaneously. Behind its overwrought snout lies a twin-turbocharged V8 that's enhanced by a plug-in hybrid system, which combine to produce up to 738 horsepower. The result is a rocket, capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.7 seconds. It can also motor itself around on electric power alone if you only need to run a few errands. And you might just choose the XM for such tasks, since its cabin is richly trimmed, comfortable, and spacious. BMW has added all of its most desirable tech features too, including a curved dashboard display and the latest driver assistance systems. While it's quick in a straight line, the XM isn't as joyful to drive as the company's vaunted M3 and M5 sports sedans. But if corner carving isn't on your driving menu, the XM's got panache and power out the wazoo, and we'll be damned if we can find fault with that. A twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine isn't a newcomer to BMW's powertrain lineup, yet in the case of the XM, it's paired with an electric motor and a battery pack, culminating in an astonishing 644 horsepower. During our initial test drive, we observed the powertrain's instantaneous thrust and projected that it would propel the XM to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.8 seconds. However, upon bringing it to our testing grounds, we were taken aback by its exceptional performance, clocking a swift 3.4-second acceleration to 60 miles per hour. This positions the XM at a marginal disadvantage compared to other high-performance SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus and the Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, both of which achieved 0 to 60 mph times of 3.2 seconds during our assessments. The XM employs a coil spring suspension system bolstered by adaptive dampers and active anti-roll bars. While it may not exhibit the same level of compliance and poise as it would with an air suspension, the comfort driving mode ensures a far from punishing ride quality. When switched to sport mode, the XM's handling becomes agile and eager, resulting in an enjoyable experience on winding roads. Safety and driver assistance features. Found as standard across all XM models are fundamental features like automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist. However, more sophisticated technologies, including an adaptive cruise control system with a lane centering feature, are also available. For further insight into the XM's crash test outcomes, please refer to the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IYHS. Key safety features encompass standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW provides a competitive limited and powertrain warranty, further augmented by above-average complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is included for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Every aspect of the XM's interior exudes luxury, highlighted by the availability of vintage-style leather upholstery, a feature that debuted on the concept car. The cabin of the XM is exclusively configured with 2 rows of seating. Instead of a conventional panoramic sunroof, the XM offers an alternative, a geometric-patterned faux suede headliner adorned with fiber-optic lighting, creating a striking visual effect. For those seeking an enhanced audio experience, there's an optional upgrade that introduces a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround sound system, complete with illuminated tweeters. A generously sized curved display spans 2/3 of the dashboard's width. This display serves dual purposes, acting as a digital gauge cluster and an in-car infotainment hub. It operates on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software interface. Wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, complemented by features like Sirius XM satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a premium sound system. Range, charging, and battery life. The XM incorporates a 25.7 kWh battery pack that is claimed to offer an electric-only range of approximately 30 miles per charge. Our testing closely aligned with this claim, yielding a result of 29 miles. BMW asserts that the XM's built-in charger can replenish the battery at speeds of up to 7.4 kilowatts, facilitating a full charge in slightly over 3 hours. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Despite its plug-in hybrid designation, the EPA rates the XM's fuel efficiency at merely 12 mpg in the city and 17 mpg on the highway. However, during our 75 mph highway fuel economy evaluation, the XM surpassed its EPA projection by achieving 20 mpg when relying solely on its gasoline engine. Taking into account the approximately 29 miles covered using electric power, the combined result translates to an even more appealing 49 mpge. For comprehensive